Find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4 subtends a right angle at P. Subtends a right angle at P. Okay, so here I am taking one triangle. Okay, so in this triangle, okay, line joining. Okay, so otherwise take like this. Okay, we have 2 points. We have 2 points. Okay, so that is A and B. A and B. Okay, so here I am taking the point A as 4 comma 0 and another point I am taking the B, that is 0 comma 4. This line subtends a right angle at P. We have one point, another point. We have one another point at that point. So for example, I am taking one point here. Okay, so from this point it is making right angle at P. Making right angle at P. Okay, so and this is the triangle here. Okay, and it is a point P. It is a point P. Okay, so A and B points are given. So I am taking this point as x comma y. It is a variable. Since it is a variable, not only here, we can move from another from here to here also. Okay, means like this also we can draw. Okay, we want the right angle, that's it. Okay, we can draw like this. Okay, and we can draw like this. Okay, just what we want right angle triangle, that's okay, we want right angle triangle. Okay, so all these, okay, so we get it like this. Okay, so in this we can take anywhere, the P point can be anywhere in all these points, but we are taking one particular place. But we are taking at one particular place. That's why we are considering that as a variable. Okay, P of x comma y. Okay, so for any question, always remember. Okay, so let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. Let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Okay, so now what are the given points? Write the given points. Given points. So given points are, okay, A point, I am taking one first point as A 4 comma 0 and second point as, okay, 0 comma 4, that is a B. That is a point B. Okay, now condition. What is the condition here? He gave one condition. What is the condition? What is the condition? So these 3 points form a right angle triangle. Subtends a right angle at P means, okay, A and B subtends a right angle at P. So these 3 points forming a right angle triangle here. Okay, so right angle triangle, what is the formula in the right angle triangle? Okay, so what is the condition in right angle triangle? Pythagoras theorem. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square is
Base
equals
square
to,
plus height square.
very good, base square plus height square. Base square plus height square. Now I am applying this formula here. Okay, what is hypotenuse? AB is a hypotenuse, AB square, base is BP. Okay, I am writing this as BP square and height is AP. So write AP square. What is the distance formula? Again, we are going to use the distance formula here. Okay, so what is distance AB? If A and B are the 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, then what is the formula? Under root of, okay, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB, what is AB? A and B distance, okay, under root of 4 minus 0 or 0 minus 4 whole square. Okay, and 4 minus 0 means 0 minus 4. Okay, here you can take x2 minus x1 whole square or y2 minus y1 whole square. That formula, or Otherwise, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also. Okay, why? Because the distance from my house to your house and your house to my house both are equal. If you measure from my house to your house or your house to my house, both are equal. Okay, and this is AB and we are squaring here. And okay, BP. Okay, B and P point. Okay, these two are the points we are going to take here. B and P. Okay, so here square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Y minus 4 whole square. This is BP and square. Okay, and AP. What about AP? What about AP? Okay, A and P. Okay, we are going to take this A and P points. Okay, so that
Yes,
means
sir.
under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, now squares for this we have whole square. Okay, square and root gets cancelled. Okay, square and root gets cancelled. Okay, if we square cancel the square and root, what is next step? Okay, here 4 minus 0 is 4 square, 16. 0 minus 4 minus 4 whole square also 16. And x minus 0 whole square is x square. Y minus
X
4 whole
square
square, a minus
plus
b whole square, y square,
y
and 4
square
square 16.
plus
And
16.
2ab, 2 4 8, 8y.
8.
Okay, and x square plus 4 square 16 minus 2 4 8, 8x minus 8x plus y minus 0 whole square is y square. Okay, here 16 and 16. X square and x square, that is 2x square. Y square and y square is 2y square. Okay, 16 and 16 is 32, and before that minus 8x I am writing, minus 8y I am writing, 16 and 16 plus 32. I am
32.
taking this equal to 32 we have, right? 16, 16, 32. I'm taking that 32 also this side, then we get equal to 0. Okay, here I am writing implied. Okay, so we can cancel y I am taking to one side, we can cancel 32 and 32. So in all the terms 2 is common, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
take 2 common, then x square plus y square, 2 4s are 8x, 2 4s are 8y, and okay, equal to 0. Okay, that means what is final answer? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y, okay, equal to 0. This is the required locus equation. Required locus equation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just note down. Here the next question, A 2 comma 3 and B minus 3 comma 4 be two given points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5 square units. 8.5 square units. This is 2021 Board of Intermediate Education model paper question. Okay, model paper question, very important
Yes,
model.
sir.
Okay, very important model. So for any question, whatever it is given, so it is from locus chapter. So that's why first always we write let p of x comma y be any point on the locus. Be any point on the locus. Okay, so and what are the given points? What are the given points? So given points are A is equals to 2 comma 3 and another point B is equals to minus 3 comma 4. Minus 3 comma 4. These two are the given points, and we are going to find the equation of the locus of B so that the area of the triangle is 8.5. Okay, here condition. What is the given condition? Okay, so what is the condition here? Condition. Area of the triangle is 8.5 square units. Area of the triangle is 8.5 square units. Means the delta is equals to 1 by 2 into Okay, so we have the 2 3 formula. We have taken 2 3 formula. Whatever you feel easy, you can apply that. Okay, so here, whatever I took the here, so I'm present. I am taking this. Okay, so which formula I am taking? Okay, so I'm okay. So this one. Okay, so here I am taking 2 and taking 3. Okay, so after 1 we are getting 2, after 2 next 3, after 3 next 1. 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2. 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2. Just remember that, so that easily you can write this formula here. Okay, x1 into, okay, 1 2 3, x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into 2 3 1, x2 into y3 minus y1. Okay, plus 3 3 1 2. Okay, 3 1 2 is nothing but x3 into
Y1 minus Y2.
y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. Okay, so now here substitute all the values. The value is given. Okay, and one more thing, the value is given as total area is 8.5 square units. 8.5 square units. Now I am substituting all the points 1 by 2 into x1. X1 means I am taking xy as x1. Okay, I am taking here. Okay, so this one is x1 and y1, and this is x2, y2, and x3, y3. Substituting all these. Now I am substituting all these. Okay, so then x1 into x into y2 minus y3, that is 3 minus 4. Okay, plus x2 into 2 into y3 minus y1. Okay, that is 4 minus y. 4 minus y. Okay, plus x3 into x3 is minus 3 into y1 minus y2, y minus 3, y minus 3 is equals to 8.5. 8.5. Okay, I am taking this dividing by 2 to that side. If we take this 2 to that side, so then we get mod of x into 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 2 into 4. Okay, what is 2 into 4? 8. So you can multiply, direct multiplying 2 4 8 minus 2 into y 2y minus 3 into y minus 3y minus to minus plus 3 3 is 9 is equals to, here 2 dividing, if you take it to that side, multiplies 2 into 8.5, 2 8 is 16. Okay, and 0.5 we have. Okay, so that means we get 17. Okay, so now this is equals to minus x minus 2y minus 3y. Okay, minus 5y it is, minus 5y, and 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 17 is equals to 17. Okay, when we remove the modulus, we get plus or minus. If you remove the modulus symbol, we get plus or minus. Okay, so that means minus x minus 5y, okay, plus 17 is equals to plus or minus 17. Here we have two methods, so we can square on both sides. Okay, or otherwise you can take plus or minus, anyone is okay. Okay, in this plus or minus, once we take plus, once we take minus. Okay, so here I am taking the plus minus 6 minus 5y plus 17 is equals to 17, or otherwise, okay, minus 6 minus 5y plus 17 is equals to minus 17. Okay, solve this separately, solve that separately. Okay, so now here I am taking all these terms to right side, then it becomes plus 6 and plus 5y, plus 5y, and minus 17. Already we have right side plus 17 and equal to 0. 17 17 gets cancelled. Okay, we can cancel this 17 and 17. Okay, so that what we get here. Okay, so x plus 5y equal to 0. X plus 5y equal to 0. Okay, now in this, taking all the terms to right side, then it becomes plus x and plus 5y. Okay, and minus 17. Already we have right side minus 17 equal to 0. So x plus 5y minus 17 minus 17 minus 34 equal to 0. Minus 34 equal to 0. So here what we want? We want the equation of locus. What we want? We want the equation of locus. Therefore, required equation of locus. Required equation of locus is, so multiply both the equations. Okay, so it gives the required locus equation, that is x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 equals to 0. This is only the required locus equation. You can leave here. Okay, so this is
Yes,
required
sir.
solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts still here?
No, sir.
Okay, this question, find the equation of locus of P if the A is equals to 4 comma 0 and B is equals to minus 4 comma 0 and PA minus PP is equals to 4. Okay, so here in this, if A is equal, okay, so here, so in this question, so first whatever the question it is, we have to use the same condition here. Okay, take let P of x comma y be any point on the locus, any point on the locus. Okay, after this write the given data. Okay, so what is given? A is equals to 4 comma 0 and B is equals to minus 4 comma 0 are given. Now we are going to write the condition. What is the condition here? Okay, so condition already it is given, no need to write here, no need to form a condition. So here PA minus PB is equals to 4. PA minus PB is equals to 4. And we know that if you remove the modulus, what we get? We get plus or minus 4. Okay, here you can square directly, but if you square directly, simplification part becomes okay, so very difficult. That's why take this PB to that side. Okay, minus PB I am taking to that side, it becomes plus PB and plus or minus 4. Okay, now I am squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides. Okay, if you square on both sides, then we get PA square is equals to PB plus or minus 4 whole square. Okay, so in the right side part, A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square formula, A square plus B square, 4 square 16 plus 2AB and minus 2AB. So we can write plus or minus 2AB. 2AB, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 8 PB, 8 PB we get. Okay, this is
Yes,
the
sir.
value of PA square. Okay, whatever we have the squares. Okay, the simplification part, if you want to, okay, so get simplification part a little bit easy. Okay, take the two terms to left side, PA square and minus PB square minus 16 is equals to, there is no square for this. Okay, so that's why I am keeping this in the right side as it is. Okay, now apply the distance formula. Apply the distance formula here. Okay, first I am writing PA, applying for PA, and then we apply for PB. Okay, so P and A under root of okay, x minus 4
X.
whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, this is PA and whole square minus PB. PB is nothing but under root of P and B we are taking x minus of minus 4 x plus 4 whole square and y minus 0 whole square. Okay, this is PB and whole square minus 16 equal to plus or minus 8 pb, plus or minus 8 pb. Okay, and okay, we can cancel the square and root here. So cancel the square and root. Okay, so in the remaining part, okay, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. What is the formula? Already you know the formula, right? Okay, x minus 4 whole square, x square, 4 square 16, minus 2 4 the 8x. Okay, and y minus 0 whole square, y square, and minus of x plus 4 whole square, x square, 4 square 16. Okay, 2 4 the 8. Okay, 8x plus y square. Okay, and minus 16 we have is equals to plus or minus 8 pb. Okay, I am writing the pb as it is, like that only. So now here x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square multiply by minus x square minus 16 minus 8x minus y square and minus 16 is equals to plus or minus 8 pb, plus or minus 8 pb. Any possibility to cancel the terms? Okay, here minus 16 and plus 16 we can cancel, and plus x square minus x square cancel, and plus y square minus y square also gets cancelled. Okay, whatever it is remaining, you write the remaining terms as usual. Okay, so that means we have minus 8x and minus 8x, minus 8x minus 8x minus 8y, minus 16y, 16x. Okay, sorry. And y terms, there is no y terms. And minus 16, we have one more minus 16. Okay, write that minus 16 as is equals to plus or minus 8 pb. Take minus 8 common. In both the terms, we can cancel. That's why I'm taking 8 common. So if you take 8 common, then okay, minus 2x minus 2 is equals to plus or minus 8 pb. Okay, we can cancel this 8 and 8. Okay, now you can cancel this 8 and this 8. Okay, for the remaining terms, again we are going to apply a minus b whole, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, applying once again. Okay, so squaring on both sides again. Okay, so here 2 times we square on both sides. Okay, so now we get minus 2x, so minus 2y minus 2 or minus of 2x plus 2. Okay, for this full term whole square is equals to plus or minus pb, and for this also we get whole square. Okay, here when we square, the negative sign minus becomes plus. Okay, so this becomes plus, and a plus b whole square formula, a square for 2x whole square, that is 4x square, b square for 2 square is 4, or 2ab, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8x, we get plus 8x is equals to plus the whole square becomes plus, minus whole square also plus only. Okay, so just we write pb whole square, pb square. Okay, now we are going to okay apply. Okay, so distance formula for p and b, for p and b. Okay, so b point and p point. Okay, so x plus 4 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. Okay, applying the distance formula here. Okay, so now 4x square, 4 and 8x, this is as is. Okay, write that 4x square, okay, plus 4 plus 8x, writing as is equals to under root of, okay, so b point is minus 4 comma 0, so x minus of minus 4, x plus 4 whole square, and y minus 0 whole square. Okay, this pb we have whole square also. Okay, square and root gets cancelled here. Okay, so simplify the right side part. X square, 4 square 16, 2 4 the 8x plus y square. send all the terms to one side. Okay, so then it is 4x square plus 4 plus 8x minus x square minus 16 minus 8x minus y square is equals to 0. Okay, so now simplify here. 4x square minus x square is 3x square and minus y square as it is minus y square as it is. And here you can cancel this 8x and 8x plus 8x minus 8x gets cancelled. And 4 minus 16, how much the value? 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Okay, equal
sir.
to 6, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
So minus 12 equal to 0. This is only the required locus equation. Or you can write 3x square minus y square is equal to 12. Okay, either that or this. Okay, so this is the required locus equation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so required locus equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just note down this. Okay, so